Hey everybody, George Cyrus from Empire Legal. Today's video is shot from Main Beach on the beautiful Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. Let's get into it. Today we're talking about what a property lawyer or conveyancer does on settlement day. Alright, so settlement day is always an exciting time with many moving parts. At Empire Legal, we're doing many jobs in the background to make our client's settlement a smooth sail all the way to the finish line. First of all, on settlement day, we send our clients a happy settlement day email. So what is that? It's basically letting our clients know what time settlement's happening. We also copy in the real estate agent and your banker or broker so everybody's on the same page. All right, so when we're representing a buyer, we're going to check if the bank is ready to go and that they have the money available for us to direct. We check that there's any shortfall funds required, either in our client's nominated account or in our trust account. We're going to stamp the contract and make the payment of transfer duty to the Queensland Revenue Office. We're also going to make sure our client has been informed in advance about arranging a pre-settlement inspection. And if there's any issues, we will advise them on how to navigate that. All right. Now, if we're representing a seller, we're going to make sure that the mortgage is ready to pay out and that there is ample funds there to pay out that loan. We also check that the title has not changed with any last-minute issues on the day of settlement. For example, that there's no caveat being lodged, there's no extra mortgages that have popped up sneakily, etc. Because the title has to be clear from the seller when it passes over to the buyer. We're also going to make sure that we agree right down to the last cent on the exact settlement figure required between the buyer's solicitor and the seller's solicitor. We're going to confirm a time for settlement to occur. We're going to advise our client for the arrangement of collection of keys, usually through the real estate agent. We're also going to make sure that any deposits held are released and the real estate agents are paid. We will also upload all payment directions, for example, rates, water, body corporate, conveyancing fees, agent fees, client sale proceeds, etc. to the workspace. We'll sign off on the transfer of land documents so that the title will move freely from the seller to the buyer without any headache as part of this settlement process. The PEXA platform talks directly to Queensland titles and this happens as part of settlement. If money is going to be sent internationally, we're going to work with PEXA's partner, Send Payments, to make sure that money gets overseas safely. Settlement is going to occur as early as midday and as late as 4 p.m. Queensland time. If settlement doesn't happen on the allocated time, we usually aim for a 12 p.m. settlement. It's going to roll over in 30-minute blocks until that last time slot automatically of 4 p.m. All parties are required to sign off here, guys, so that means both sets of lawyers, and if there's banks involved, either releasing or incoming, they're both going to have to sign off as well. Unless all the parties sign, it won't settle. Now, once the property settles, we're going to let our clients know. We set it up in the system so the second it settles, the client gets emailed and the agents and the bankers and brokers will know at the same time. That way the keys can be collected and the removal trucks can hit the road. There's a fair bit going on here, right? But don't worry, we're experts. This is what we do. We help thousands of people, actually tens of thousands of people every year settle their homes. Guys, please email me with what topic you want to hear from next. I'm happy to make tailored content for you guys. You ask, I'll answer it. Thanks everybody. Chat soon.